Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to create glowing in the dark portrait effect in PicsArt. As you can see, this is the original photo and this is the final result. Before starting the video, if you do not subscribe my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel because I'll bring this type of videos for you. So, without having further delay, let's begin. Open the photo in PicsArt and select the cutout tool, then brush over the glass frame because we want to create a sticker of that glass frame. So brush over the glass frame perfectly. It will take a bit of time, but do it with patience. As you can see, I'm brushing over the glass frame, and after completing the brushing, and I will brush out the area where the excess red is present. So as you can see, this is the glass frame right now, and after the glass frame I will also create the sticker of the earring too. So I will select there. As you can see, after finishing it look like this. So just save and go to the drawing tool and save it as image. Now open the photo in Snapseed and select the curve tool. Here we will do some curving, and now hit the OK button and view edits, and with the help of masking I will brush out the area where I need a bit more light. So I will brush out the face also, and after completing the brush out, just select OK and then export the photo. Again go to the PicsArt and open this photo and add photos and add the glass frame, and go to adjustment, increase the brightness and go to saturation, make it -100 and highlights to +100 and shadows to +100, and then make the brightness to top. Then just go to the effects and go to colors and select brightness and make it to the top, and then hit OK button, and then again go to the effects, select blur, lens blur and make the lightness to 28 and hit it OK. Then just go to brush and brush out the terminal part of that sticker so it will look a bit natural. Now add photos and add a light blue color, and then go to blending and multiply, and then go to brush. With more opacity and hardness, brush out the glass frame area and then decrease opacity and hardness and brush out the face, and then brush out the earring also to make it more whitish. Now hit the OK button and go to the effects and then go to hue and make the amount of hue is 18 to 19, and then go to lighten and hit it OK. Open the draw tool and pick the brightest color and make the opacity +8 and size 74, and brushing over the glass frame and the earring to give it a glowing look. Now select the layer and go to blending and make it lighten and create a new empty project. Now going to the color and pick it the lightest blue. Open the brush tool and make the size 74 and opacity to +10, Then just paint where you need a bit more light from the glowing glass frame. It will take some time, do it with patience. As you can see, I'm painting After completing the painting, just go to the erase tool and make the size 95 and opacity to +13 and erase some side of the painting to give it a bit more natural look. Now go to the layer, select the blending to add and make the opacity 69, hit it OK. Now go to tools and go to curves and give the blue a bit glowing look and go to the erase tool and erase the lower part to give it a blackish look. Now hit it OK. Now go to the draw tool and save the image. Now open the photo in Snapseed and go to tools and curves and to give the black part more blackish and white part more whitish look, and then hit it OK and export the photo. Thanks for watching.